I'm Rashika Lungani, a now graduate from Interior Architecture and Design IID. I'm feeling extremely ecstatic. I love being here. I love the college and I'm really happy to have it over with. No more education for me. These 4 years were exciting, exhilarating. They were just everything of life jam-packed into 4 years. I learned how to work online, I learned how to be tech savvy, I learned how to work. It was just, I made friends, I met new people. It was just, I felt like I experienced my entire life crushed together in 4 years. The reason I chose IID is because I was looking at my options available and I was going to multiple colleges to give the entrance, and one of them happened to be IID. And I remember going to the orientation and it was just so well organized. There were like games to engage the people coming in. After the test, they had like a material session where they made us build things. And I remember thinking to myself that a college who can put so much effort into students who are potentially coming into their college would probably put a lot more effort into the students who are actually in the college. So I think that's the moment that turned it around and I thought this is the college for me. I'm currently working as an interior designer at Studio Lotus. Go for it. I think IID's curriculum in a way is a really safe bet. So even if you're confused about what you want to do, interior design, communication, fashion, but you just know you want to do design, it's a safe bet where you can go in, explore for 1 year in the foundation and then make an informed choice. And I think that was a very important thing for many people who joined the college, where they initially thought they wanted to do fashion, but over the year of foundation, they realized they were meant for something else. So it's the best way to go forward instead of taking a gap year to prepare for something else. It allows you to explore, it allows you to make an informed decision because this is what your life hinges on going forward. My memory, I think this is something most people won't like to relive. In my case, it has to be my juries. I really loved giving my juries because it meant I was over with it. So I would just like go very well prepared, irrespective of the feedback I got. I would just sit in, give it, and I would feel so relieved, and I would like get burgers from KFC to treat myself. That was like my ritual. So I just loved giving juries and getting over with my projects.